Hi everyone, I am Rachel Minto. I am so sorry I cannot be there with you tonight in person. I picked up a virus that is going around. It is that time of year, and did not want to spread to any of you. So I am home, cozy. I'm wearing my Happiness Project sweatshirt, a great resource. I was asked to speak to you for a few minutes about mental health. I am so honored that I was asked to be an advocate and asked to speak. I am just a mom and a community member, but I am so passionate about mental health because I have suffered with anxiety and panic disorder since college. I thought I was having a heart attack in college. I went to the emergency room. They ran all the tests and they discharged me and told me I was fine. And I left there thinking, I'm not fine. Something must be wrong. Like, I wanted them to find something because I thought I was crazy. I was having these physical symptoms, but everyone's saying I'm okay. No one sat me down and saying, we think you're having a panic attack. We think you're having some anxiety. I didn't even know what that was at the time. So I kind of researched on my own and helped myself learn coping mechanisms. For years, I hid it. I was so embarrassed that I had to cancel plans with friends because I was having anxiety at the moment. I was embarrassed. I couldn't drive 3 miles from my house at one point without another adult in the car because I was so afraid of having a panic attack. And I was done living my life like that. The more that I started talking about it and started talking to others and hearing that I wasn't alone, and there's things that I can do. There's places that can help me cope and strategies. The better I became, and it is rare. I obviously will have some anxiety my whole life, but it is rare that I experience a panic attack anymore because I understand what is happening. Now my children, I have a son who is battling depression, anxiety, and an eating disorder. And it is just heartbreaking to watch your kids suffer through something like this. And so I want to make a difference. I want my kids to know they are not alone. There's no cure, but they can get better. And I want them to have resources that they can use. Communities that care, they are wonderful. This initiative is so important because they need us to help raise funds so they can bring speakers into the school and do their podcasts, the peer-to-peer support groups. They have so many wonderful resources for our kids. And again, just the most important thing our kids need to know is that they're not alone, that it is okay that they are dealing with these feelings. It's okay to be depressed. It's okay to be anxious. But you know what? It's also okay to get help. And sometimes it takes other people reaching out. My son was not going to come to me and say, Mom, I'm feeling this, I need help. I needed to reach out to him and get him to a treatment center. Again, this is so important, and thank you all for being here for this initiative. And I really encourage you all to be an advocate because we really need these programs. We need as much support as we can in our schools and in the community. If you have any questions, I wanted to keep it short, but I am so open. I would love to talk to anyone because again, I think just having an open conversation and hearing other stories and knowing you're not alone is so important. So I am always available. Please feel free to reach out. I hope I can get more involved, and I hope I can meet all of you in person soon. Enjoy your night, and thank you so much for listening.